This was all her doing, so you guys can thank her for this one. Drop it on him.
Okay, so some of you, if you follow his Instagram, you may have seen that we put a poll up a few weeks ago about red or white shirts, and everybody went ham on the red shirts.
Yeah.
They really liked the idea.
I'm surprised.
Really?
Yeah.
I wasn't. I mean, that's one of our best-selling colors for ShockerRacing and some of the other places that I've worked for. So like, red is a really popular shirt color. So we went for it. We have red shirts for you guys, and we are going to do a really cool thing for everybody, for all of the Joyriders out there. We're doing a 10% discount until Mustang Week. You have a 10% discount code, MWJOYRIDE. Get yourself 10% off, get any of the Joyride gear. So you can get yourself a red shirt, a white shirt, a black hoodie, a black t-shirt, kids stuff, t-shirts,
hoodies, everything.
Everything is 10% off. And you can use, again, the code MWJOYRIDE, Mustang Week Joyride. That is the code.
Look at that.
Dummy?
It's that horsepowers. It's all those horsepowers.
Yeah. You know what'll fix this? Flames.
Flames, get out of here, you troll. Back to the house. Mail time. She's over there getting a picture.
Say brap, 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 brap.
What's going on, Joyriders? You guys ready to vlog? We went to the post office. We picked up some mail. We got, I think, some license plates, don't we?
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? Look, it's my twin. That's the Joyride uniform. Black shirt, camo shorts. We're gonna do some open box stuff. These right here are some black GT badges. That's for my mom's build. If you guys didn't check out that video, check that out and follow that build. We're actually doing a build for that. Guess on the state. What's your guess, Vince?
Tennessee.
Tennessee?
Texas. I always say New Jersey or New Hampshire.
It's Judge.
I'm gonna say South Carolina.
Or North Carolina.
You always know.
Which one?
Ooh, that's green tag.
Vermont,
Vermont.
close enough. Woo!
I was gonna say that.
Yeah, that's a cool tag.
I love
They
it.
had one today.
Force fed. Look, see, she knows. Look at her.
Hey, we can
But anyway,
She's a doctor.
we got a letter. Guys, I already told you I don't know how to read, especially when it's in cursive.
They want Lauren to read anyway. It's fine.
Yeah.
Hello, JD Joyride. I really enjoy your channel and your car.
And your pornplex. Right? You got a bunch of your good everywhere.
This plate,
Here it goes.
this plate is off my 2002 GT that had a Pro Charger on it. That's where the force fed came from.
Look at that.
I no longer have that. I only got a GT500,
Yeah, congratulations.
What's up?
Yeah.
which I added a Whipple 2.9 on.
You gotta switch that BMP.
Not quite the beast yours is, but it's a lot of,
It's hard to read that cursor
yeah.
because I'm trying to follow.
Keep up the good work on your channel. It's cool to see
Bitch.
how your picture has expanded over the years.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. This is definitely going on the wall.
Yeah.
Let's see. We got
Okay, now I'm gonna say New Hampshire.
New York.
New York,
Louisiana.
Louisiana, Florida.
Florida. I gave you his Instagram.
His Instagram. Miami Grabber Blue 305.0_. When you guys send the tags, write the note on the back of the tag. That would be awesome. I'm gonna guess California.
You already know.
I don't know. I didn't look.
I'm gonna say New Jersey or New Hampshire.
Anyways, what are you gonna guess?
Pennsylvania.
So what's your state? Nevada? It's Virginia. What?
Damn, never heard of that.
It's an antique plate. That's badass. Yeah. Just put this on the car. It's Virginia, right? Thank you guys. I really appreciate the tags. I love them. We're gonna add them to the wall over here on the garage. Gotta give Laura a shout out. She actually stole a sign for me.
What you
I
said?
can't tell you that.
We're gonna open up a few more of these boxes. Most of this stuff is for my mom's build that we're working on. So I I told you guys I'd keep you guys posted on everything. So right now, once everything comes in, then we'll make a trip over to LAIDNOTSPRAYED and take everything over there that's going to need to be installed and wrapped. Well, wrapped then installed, right? Is that how that works? What is this? This right here is actually lug nuts for this. So we just got some brand new black lug nuts. You know what? Black lug nuts for? New wheels for the car, so we got the lug nuts already. And these are the GT badges for my mom's car. All right. Look at this, guys. And you say, wow! On the rear of the car, on the GTs, it's like a chrome baked gas cap, and this is just a blacked out version. Look at that. Headlights. This right here is the GT500 style wing, just like what I have on my car. So we're gonna have to definitely take this over to Randy, and he will wrap this. I got the unpainted one. Here, see, it's kind of like a flat primer. This right here is the styling bar for the convertibles, and this is what I was telling you in the previous video, if you guys check that out, that anytime you have a convertible Mustang, this is a must for the convertibles, because it actually, I think, sets them off and makes them look really good. Is that thing not recording? No, it's not. Oh, it is. Yeah. I couldn't see the red dot.
Put that in the video.
Put that in the video?
You want my glasses?
Really?
I had your glasses earlier. You want me to go get them?
If you, yeah. I probably should wear it for the rest of my vlog. Should I? Or-
Yeah, you should.
Have you seen my glasses? She just grabbed me my glasses. How they look? Good? Good? Now I look like you.
But I don't take on mine. You look like Harry Potter.
According to my calculations, this right here is a convertible Mustang styling bar.
So much smarter.
I probably look smarter. You think I can do math now?
I don't know, it was 2 + 2.
I think that's all the parts, right? Alright, so what are we gonna do? Food vlog?
Yeah, let's go get some food. You know where we've been in like forever?
Where?
Los Patelos. They probably take the hang from there.
Alright, let's head over to Los Patelos.
After you, sir.
Bex, get here.
Thank you.
Your burrito?
Is it good?
Yeah. I haven't even tried a bite yet, but I already know it's good.
This is the spot. Chori Polo, probably saying it wrong. So good. It's got pineapple and the Mexican sausage, chicken, rice, and beans. This is like the first time we've ever came here and ate, and it's still daylight.
I know.
That's gonna be a wrap for this video. Is there anything else we needed to tell them?
Buy some merch.
Of course she would. Don't forget, was it September 15th, I believe? 16th. Is it 15th or 16th? We will be in Boston for APX. Details and plans have changed since. We now will be doing go-karting. You're coming too, right? Bex will be there, Laura will be there, I will be there, and there's going to be a bunch of other automotive YouTubers that will be there, but we're going to the local go-kart track out there. I will have all the information and the details listed below, but you guys can come out and race all your favorite automotive YouTubers. Race me, you can race that dude in blue, Eli with Ignition Tube will be there, and there's a bunch of other awesome YouTubers that'll be there. I believe It's Just a Six will be there as well.
They're just gonna want to race me and Laura.
They're just gonna want to race you guys? You're probably right. You want to race them? You can race them too.
I'm pretty good at go-karting.
Okay.
Judging from like the one time I've
We've
been.
only ever went go-karting once. So guys, I'm gonna, you can beat me. No.
Those keys are clinging and clanging while you're trying to.
Look at that. You caught that shit too.
I think
I'm sitting there like slinging the keys around.
I would be really good at go-karting because I know that I wouldn't die. and I
Right.
have really good coordination.
Really,
Hold on a
really.
second. Let's see if there's any conspiracy theories on this one.
What?
Oh my goodness. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm wrapping it up. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh my God.